Lots of young artists out there, and we're all about giving them a strength. Richie Rich, who's the next big thing?
Whole heap of money I fi make, so me nah stop fight until my last breath.
Intense fine star, and right now, a man from Walton Park, Manidon. Man, welcome, father.
Yeah, I know father.
Yo, bro, G, see I do it out there, you see me? Right now we have some hot song right now, see I run with my father, but before I go and sing them, just talk to right now, what man forward from?
I'm born a Greenwich farm over there right now, you hear that? And growing up through my years, you don't know, move to Waltham, 77B Waltham Park Road. You see me that across from St. Jude's, I will go St. Jude's too. You see me, because whole life I hold 30 route from farm to Waltham, you hear that?
Music now, where you start off music?
You know, say, music is something I always have a passion for still. And when I really reach a stats in a grade 9, yeah, they have a principal before at the school one at the time, them, and he made keep a DJ competition. And some youth got for me, so you know, so I can take on that. And by the time he take it on, still it never really bother happen. But from there, so I never stop the music till this day, man.
The first song you actually release or you actually compose, you can remember the song that?
I really want it still in a car. I use my phone and shoot the video for one rich and drop it as a visualizer Palm Vivo, and that's something officially start.
Whole heap of money I fi make, so me nah stop fight.
How you keep focused though? What keep you grounded? You know, say yo, music thing I type passion, you gotta work with it. You don't give up.
If I tell you the truth, I can't even sleep at night time based on the catalog I have. Big up one movement, everybody in one movement. I have my team I work with, and I can't let them down neither, because I will heap a sacrifice to make, and I have to really make this happen.
Couple any for your drink, I never read label. Man.
What you have in store for, you know, dancehall and old music and fraternity?
The market big than just Jamaica, you know. So we are pretty multi-genre thing. We are try touch a whole heap of market differently. Because we are youth where, as I tell you, we have studied the game for a long time. You see me, I say, and we see what artists do, we see what artists now do, we learn from every artist.
Broadcast commissioner them put some ban right now up on certain type of lyrics and dance. As a young upcoming artist, like the scamming and the Mali and the whole drugs topic, you know what I mean? Them banning to it. And most of them topics are that trend right now.
Yeah.
How hard has it been for you basically to put up music, knowing that most of them topics are right now the topics are young people want to hear basically?
We live in a modern time, you know, where you have TikTok and a post and a thing. Me can't know say yo, certain song around the place and me know me have the ability. And certain little thing where people them love. Me can't make true them ban certain broadcasting thing, me say yo, I'm not gonna do that or I'm not gonna do that. Versatility is everything to me.
Is there anything out there where you say, okay, man, I sing about this. Even if you want band and that, and I mean that, man, I find cause.
You have certain things where I just still not go sing about still, you see me, I say. Mali thing, I don't know. You see me, but big up Skank said way, man, you don't know a thing about the Mali thing and really our thing still, but you don't know that, bro. Yeah, man.
Speaking of Skank right now, give me a couple of artists right now who actually look up to the industry, like actually grow up on, you know, so the music can actually make you want, you know, put yourself in a film spotlight, a film space. You say, yo, someone be like that man or you want to be better than them. People actually aspire, you know?
Growing up, you say Vado, Cartel, Donia them, and that's my thing, because them man, they man I grew up on where. I love the lyrics thing, the hardcore chopping thing.
Yeah, the song them, it's them three money you call right now. It seems like them three man they actually listen to the guy. We can hear the hardcore. You have a commanding voice.
Yeah, man.
And three man they have a commanding voice. You can hear it.
Yeah, man. So the meaning in delivery when them sing song and them thing there.
So currently right now, where's the thing right now? Do it right now. Currently dancehall.
No, I have to give Valiant and Skank them props, man.
So we know what going. Where you go overseas? Where you see dancehall and all they look represented?
The same thing them where them band pan radio out there still really it me say the people them over they really love.
You don't feel like chop dancehall can mash up dancehall take away from the original?
No man, it can't.
No
sir. A different generation. You see me I will come with a different sound. You see me I say so we are do it and now really we are bringing it. And I new sound the people them whenever normally interact with dancehall I run with right now.
My dog have a one. We can look out from one of the team.
Want come with a new sound in a dancehall. We don't just want to jump in a dancehall and say, yeah, we are sing song and Ray. No.
And last and final, what makes Manidon intense?
Always a go hard, man. You see me? That really make me intense as a humble youth too. Yeah, man.
Manidon. Well, the man say, music is a difference right now. I'm studying the game, I'm learning the game. Check him out. One Manidon.